Hi everyone, for today's video we are going to do an unboxing of the Yaber V10 1080p projector. This is the second projector that Yaber released this year. They have the Yaber Pro V7 projector that they released last June. And if you wanted to see the unboxing and also the review of the Yaber V7 1080p projector, make sure to check my other review. What I'm also going to do within the next 2 weeks is I'm going to play around with the Yaber V10, and after that I'm going to compare the Yaber V10 with the Yaber Pro V7. So if you're interested in that, make sure to click the subscribe button and hit that notification button so you can get notified when I posted that review. Okay, so let's go back to the Yaber V10 1080p projector. This projector was just released last August in the US. Let's see what's in it. Okay, so the projector comes with a carry case. We go take out the box. Open this thing. Oh, it's nice. Okay, what's this? My dear customer, this is kind of like an FAQ on the operation of the projector. And you have the projector. So I'll put it here for now. You got the cleaning kit and also the manual. It also comes with an HDMI cable and a power cord, and you can see here the power cord actually is the three-prong, the grounded type power cord, which is really good for the projector. Comes with a remote control, and it comes with two audio video cable. Not sure why they have two. So this is all you will get from the projector when you get it. So let me go put this back and then look at the projector itself. So if you look at the top of the projector, you'll see the focus ring right here. You have the power button, the OK button, and you have the directional button right here, back button. This is the menu button, and this is the source signal. So you can change your source from here. And in the back, you'll have two USB ports. It comes with the IR sensor in the back as well. You have the AV port, two HDMI port, an audio port, and this one comes with a VGA connector as well for your old laptop or old computer. This one here looks like the speaker. So the speaker is coming out from here. You have the power button, turn it on and off, as well as your power port right here. So this one here is nothing. This is basically closed. On this side, you have the small air outlet right here. And on the other side, you'll have the air inlet right here. Now let's look at the front. And in the front, you'll have the lens. So you also have the Yaber logo. And right here, I'm not really sure what's in here. The manual doesn't say anything about it, but it looks to me like this might be an IR sensor as well, because this one looks like this one here. So it's same size, looks the same. I'm sure this thing is closed, so no air vent right here, but this thing, it looks like an IR sensor, but in the manual it doesn't say anything about it. So in the manual, it's only saying that the IR sensor is in the back. So I'm not sure if that is correct. I've seen their Amazon listing, and it says that it have a sensor in the front and in the back. So, and the Yaber V7 Pro also have a front and back sensor. The manual also said that this thing should come with a cover lens, but I did not receive one, so I'm gonna have to contact them with that. And at the bottom of your projector, you can see 4 rubber pads. You can actually remove these pads to install the projector into a ceiling, or if you want, or if you have a universal projector mount that you can use. What I noticed here is that they don't have a tripod mount, so you're gonna need to get the projector mount that you can put in here to install it in a tripod or in a ceiling. Another thing is that there's no adjustment for the foot, so once you put it down, it's just, that's it, it's straight. So if you need to prop the projector up a little, you're gonna have to put something in front of it to prop it up. And here's the projector remote. Let me go check it out. In the remote, you'll have the power button. This is the input source button. Right here is your mode. So you can flip your images upside down if you want to do it ceiling mount or to the back of the projector of the screen. So this is what you do. So you have quick access to it. And you also have the play button, OK button, and you have the arrow button. So basically the arrow button will help you set or adjust the parameters in the menu mode. So right here is your menu interface. So you can press this once to go to the menu interface, and you can also press this twice to switch between 16:9 or a 4:3 projection screen ratio. Right here is your back button. This is your home button, and you have the volume up and down button. You have the mute button right here, and you have the, this is not a fast forward or rewind, but this is switch to the next video or to the previous video. Okay, so the battery, the remote will have a AAA battery. This thing does not come with a battery, so you need to provide one yourself. So let me put that one now, and let's go look at the menu screen of the projector. So I plug the projector in, and to turn it on, you have to flip this switch first to the down position. You can see that thing have a light now. And once you turn the switch on, you can see that the power button right now is illuminated red. So when I click on that, now everything is now illuminated into green. So once you turn it on, then you'll see all the buttons illuminated, so you can control that in the dark. You can see right now the projector image is cut off because of my table. So since the projector doesn't have an adjustment foot, I'm gonna have to prop it up. Maybe I'll use one of the packaging material that they have and just put it under. Okay. Right now we have the projector on, and if you can see, I actually have all my lights on. So I have 2 lights there. I have 5 lights over here, and another light there, as well as another light over there. So this location right now have a light, all the lights turned on, plus I also have the blinds halfway open. So during daytime, you can say that the projector can still show viewable image. So of course when it's dark, it's gonna be a lot better. Okay, so let's go ahead and check the sound meter. So it goes back and forth from 59 to 70, from 59 to 60, which is quiet office to conversation. So let's go to the other side. So this is the air output right here. So let me go do some silence again. Okay, now let's go to the air input right here. So if you're about 1 foot away, you'll be like at, let's see, 53. So the light here, when you turn off the projector using the remote, you don't really have to turn off the switch here again. So when you turn off the projector using the remote, this thing will, all the lights will disappear also. So that should not bother you during your sleep. So this is the Yaber V10 projector. I'm gonna be using this for a week, and I'll do a complete review of all the function as well as the quality of this projector. I'm also gonna be doing a comparison between this Yaber V10 and the Yaber Pro V7. So if you're interested in that, please make sure to click like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.